How can you remove Marketplace from Messenger? Hi everyone, I am Eva. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So, are you ready to dive in? Then let's get started. So, first of all, open the Facebook app. Click on the three horizontal bars on the top right corner of your screen. And here, click on Help and Support. And click on Report a Problem. And again, now click on Report a Problem. Click on Include. And here describe your problem. So simply write, I want to remove Marketplace from my Messenger, please help, and add the screenshot where the Marketplace is available on your Messenger, and just add that screenshot and simply send the report, and the Facebook team will solve your problem, or they will reach out to you, or they'll help you within 24 to 48 hours. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you liked this video, then please hit that like button and subscribe for more.